Trey here, just got done skiing Blizzard's Magnum 8.7 M-Power IQ FS. A lot of names and definitely a lot of ski. Ski's very, 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 very stable. This thing, you can just go as fast as you want to go through anything and you don't even realize you're doing anything. It's a lot of ski to ski all day for a guy my size, but if you're an ex-racer or a bigger guy looking for a really smooth cruising, all mountain ski, very much for the aggressive intermediate through the expert skier, I think you're really going to like this ski. It's got just a little bit of rocker up in the front, early rise they call it, so it really transitions back and forth nice and easy for a ski of this kind of stability and power. I give it 4 out of 5.